Welcome to AMS 5.0 Tech Video 1.2 about upgrading the license from AMS 4.0 to AMS 5.0. You can see this video as an appendix of the first AMS 5.0 Tech video about installation and licensing. Before we can upgrade our AMS license, we must first find out if we do have a valid software maintenance agreement or SMA. Those agreements offer a 1-year free upgrade period after buying the product, or are bought as extensions in combination with the licensed products for a period longer than 1 year. We can find the license status of our products and SMAs on the old activation website. Let's go there and log on with the registered account. From the main menu we move to the option, Maintenance Extension Report. There we can find our report by providing one of the unique details of our activation. For example, the authorization number. That will bring us to a new dialog, from where we can download or email our SMA report. We will download it, so that we can immediately see what the status is. The downloaded PDF will provide us all information that we need. The SMA license for the AMS Plus edition, and the SMA license for the Visitor Management expansion. And most important, the expiration date. If that is beyond current date, we can be sure that there is an upgrade option. Now that we know that the SMA is still valid, we can start the upgrade. Let's return to the activation page. And from there go to My Activations. We select AMS for the product family. And then our AMS 4.0 license will appear. Now we can click on the Upgrade button. This message tells you to be sure that you activated all 4.0 authorizations. Otherwise they cannot be upgraded anymore. Confirm that to continue. Now the upgrading process will be started. When ready, the button turns gray and you can expand the license by the plus symbol. The new AMS 5.0 software ID is shown. We need that on the new activation portal. So let's copy that to the clipboard and move to the new activation site by clicking the link. In the next part we can start the AMS 5.0 activation in the same way as when we would have done with a new ordered software ID. We open the new activation remote web portal. https://remote.boschsecurity.com. Before you can log on, you need to sign up. After signing up, an email will be sent with a confirmation and a link back to the portal, where you now can log on with the registered credentials. Go to Software Licensing. Click on Step 1. Claim Software Order. Enter a name, and paste the software order ID that you copied from the old activation site to the empty field. Claim your order. Now that the update is completed and the order is claimed, we can bring the license to AMS 5.0. To personalize the license on the target computer, we need to create a system information file. That needs to be done in the License Manager of AMS 5.0. Click on the Save button to store the system information file on the PC. Store it on a location where you can easily find it back. Now that we have saved the system information, we can return to the remote license portal and click on the key button to start the activation of the license. First thing to do is upload the system information file and enter an installation site. Click Next to continue. Now we need to select the products that we upgraded. AMS 5.0 Plus Edition, Visitor Management 5.0. Activate them all. Now that the activation is done, we can click on the download link to save the activation file on our computer. Let's copy that also to an easy-to-find location. On this license page, we can also read the end date of the SMA. Until then we can upgrade our AMS 5.0 license for free. For the last time, we return to the License Manager. And there we click Continue. And then import to add the just saved license file to the system. Click Finish and we will see that the new license is directly activated on our system. This concludes the video on upgrading your license from AMS 4.0 to AMS 5.0. We have learned that as long as the maintenance expiration date is beyond the current date, we are allowed to upgrade for free. To do so we have to visit two different websites. The old activation website allows us to perform the upgrade. And the new remote web portal allows us to complete the license activation. So far Series 1 Tech videos on AMS 5.0 about installation and licensing. Next series is about the new visitor management.